Today, we are at FuLu Mandarijn, a Sichuan Chinese restaurant in the heart of Amsterdam. But what is Sichuan? Come on, let's find out.
There are 8 cuisines in China, and Sichuan cuisine is one of the 8. It's all about the spices and how the chefs mix the spices together into the food.
It was started 14 years ago by Cheng Vien Dong, who was working as a chef in the Netherlands. But soon he realized that Amsterdam was missing authentic Sichuan cuisine. So he took a flight to China and came back with a new idea, a passionate team, and a secret recipe. The boiled spicy beef is a crowd favorite. It's beef and vegetables boiled with over 10 spices and served steaming hot.
First, we add some vegetables into a pot of water. Then we boil it with 10 spices and then added the beef. Put the hot oil onto the top in order to make the spices into the flavor.
They also serve spicy chicken that gets its red color from their special Mandarin sauce.
We focus on 4 basic dimensions: the smell, the look, the color, and of course the taste, while we are adding 2 more standards on that: the portion size and presentation.
Eating together is central to the Chinese culture.
分享是中华传统美德，我们以分享式用餐来弘扬中华饮食文化。